Hello everybody, it is Other Conservative Coin Collector. Welcome back to my channel. And normally when it comes to my coinstar finds, I tend to do shorts. Today is going to be an exception. This is what I found at my coinstar, my work today. Well, yesterday when you see it, but today as of right now. I had to be there at 7 a.m., work 7 to 3:30. And I found these. They are wheat cents. Those are all silver, foreign, and an old nickel. I think I will start with the wheat cents to show you exactly what I have. And maybe before I do that, bandage up my healing second-degree burn. I'm back with my burn thoroughly bandaged, so you don't have to see that. And on to the Wheaties. I got 5 of them from 1941. I have a 1943 wheat cent, steel Wheaties. That's a 1939, a 1938, a 58, a 28, and a 35. The 28's the oldest. And I'm not going to whip out my wheat cent book because I have all of these. If there was an estimate mark on some of them, maybe I could come up with putting it in my book. But these are all just normal wheat pennies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these. I'm going to stick them in here. These are all 90% silver dimes. We're starting off with a 1964, 64, 1960. This one looks very old. It is 1945, 1946, and 1964, 64, 56, and 62. All 90% silver. And the coinstar rejects all silver. Get rid of the Susan B. Anthony dollar, it's all corroded there. But that's all 90% silver. And I'm going to have to dig out my silver container to put these in, but I don't have it with me right now, so here they stay. The last American find I have is a 1940 nickel. I found it with them. It's a very old nickel, but it's just a nickel. There's no war nickel or nothing, so not as exciting as these. These, I have 4 identical to them. One are Taiwanese coins. Not Taiwanese, but they're from Thailand. The Taiwanese are from Taiwan. These are from Thailand. I don't know how to, I think that's one Bach or something like that. B-A-K-H is how you pronounce that in English. It's from the country of Thailand. And that is pretty far. On my computer, this is where Thailand is. It's, if I do this, there's India, there's Thailand. And I'm going to scroll to where I am. Here. Here is where I am. And there is Thailand. So it traveled pretty much all the way across the world to get put in that coinstar machine to come to me. Pretty dang far. For me, it would be about 8,524 miles. This is definitely the longest video about my coinstar finds I think I've ever done. They're all under a minute because I only find one thin, maybe 2, maybe a wheat cent, maybe something silver. But that is the most I've ever found, and it is the best coinstar haul I have found in 4 years of working at the place that has the coinstar where I work. I'm a conservative coin collector. It may be a short video, but at least it's a video. I'm signing off. So long, everybody.